So here is a quick little unboxing video so that you can see all the material that is included. Everything is nicely labeled for ease of use and to go through the manual and to make setup process much quicker. Now, when I put something together, I typically like to unbox and unpackage everything and put all of the stickers faced up so I can easily see them when I need them while going through the manual. There's a couple things I did end up leaving in the package, and that's just because they were going to be required so far down the line that I know I'm not going to be able to see them, or they were just so obvious and I know what they are. So once everything is out of the package and I have it all set up, I will walk through and show you just all of the pieces a little bit more close up so you can actually see some of the features and the remote as well. Everything is labeled nicely with a sticker. That will be for the headboard. There's a couple of those. Here's the remote. This screws the hardware. The wheels for the drawers. And this is for you to plug in when you put it on the side, like a charging port to be on the side of the bed. These are all of the tools that it comes with. Looks really simple and easy. Let's put it together.